What up, fam? I am coming in with a live video, you guys. I am coming in to show you guys a quick DIY on how to make your seasonal pillows. And you already know I'm frugal, right? So, this is what I have. I have four choices that I picked up from, you guessed it, Dollar Tree. Y'all, these are plate settings. That's the first one. This is the second one. This is your third one. How cute are they? And this is the fourth one. How cute are these place settings, you guys? But get this. I am making accent pillows with plate settings. Yes. For my creative sisters that's out there, that's like me, forever changing out your decor or changing with the seasons. This is a quick DIY that you can actually do. And as you can tell, I am making a pillow as we speak with this, okay? You can use your handy dandy sewing machine if you got one. And you guys, you can even use like the fabric glue to stick to these. You can utilize glue sticks, but in future reference, if you want to take it apart, you can if you stitch it and you don't want it to shred or anything like that. But you can literally use these as plate settings, but like me, DIY, frugal, golden creations, okay? I am forever trying to find a cheaper way to get things. I've been spending $10, $15, $25 on decorative pillows from, you guessed it, At Home, Big Lots, City Trend, DD's, all these Kirklands, you know, all these stores, Hobby Lobby, as well as Michael's. You go in these stores and these pillows are $39.99, $25.99. You know, the cheapest pillow that I have seen that's a decorative pillow is $10 and something. So, DIY, Dollar Tree, plate settings, that's $2. Two of these make a pillow. So if you want 5 pillows, that's $10. You go to Walmart, pick up your stuffing to go in there. That's what, $6 a bag? Come on, you guys, you can't beat that with a walking stick. Okay? Now, you done made you 5 to 6 pillows versus buying one pillow at Kirkland's or at one of these high-end stores. And if you go to the low-end stores such as City Trend or DD's, those pillows still costing you $10, $7 to $10. Come on. So I have gotten 6 pillows or 7 pillows out of my $10 that I have spent. Or if I'm gonna get the bag of stuffing, that's $7. So just said the most you're gonna spend is $20 because you want to throw pillows around your house for the season changing. So just said $20 versus one pillow. Come on, you can't beat that. But I just wanted to come in and show you guys that yes, this is the quickest DIY pillow making that you can actually do. And it comes out because get this, it's already cut for you. It's already trimmed up for you. So all you got to do is match the 2 pieces together and do your thing and have the prettiest decorative pillows around your house for the season changing, for the incoming holidays as well. And another thing, I am in the process of making my wreaths again. So if anybody out there want a wreath, just hit me up. This same wreath that I'm about to show you guys, I saw at Kohl's. And at Kohl's, they had it 80% off. And it was still $29.99. Come on. That ain't no 80% off, y'all. I am doing my own wreath, okay? And you can do that. Everything that I am using is coming from Dollar Tree. So yes, if I can imitate it and use it and get it on the low, that's me. That's what I'm gonna do. So with that, you guys, I just wanted to come in and show you guys that I am on my creative grind today. Okay, so with that, I am gonna say y'all stay blessed, stay faithful, and y'all get creative. Okay, with that, I'm gonna say peace.